12 benefits and uses of aloe vera: immunity, detoxification, allergy and more. Aloe vera is best known for skin treatment, but it's also useful for treating several other health conditions. This video highlights 8 potential health benefits of aloe vera. It also covers some of the risks associated with use. Aloe vera has many benefits including vitamins such as vitamin A, C, E, B3, B6, B11 and B12 and minerals such as magnesium, sodium, copper, phosphorus, strontium, tin, and cobalt. The aloe vera plant is composed of 20 essential amino acids that are important for the human body. The gel from an aloe plant can be consumed internally or externally. It can be used internally as a juice or externally as a gel or cream. Benefits of aloe vera. 1. Improves your immune system. Aloe vera gel strengthens one's immune system, because it contains vitamins and minerals. The body is also replenished with amino acids, giving it a boost and preventing bacteria from attacking the body. This, in turn, improves its ability to fight off diseases, such as flu or a cold. 2. Stimulates your metabolism. Aloe vera juice provides more energy because it stimulates the metabolic process, which in turn brings back the energy balance. Good metabolism should help you burn calories more quickly, which in turn will help you lose weight. 3. Weight loss. By drinking aloe vera you lose weight in a healthy and natural way. This is because it balances the metabolism. The lipid content is reduced so that fat can be burned more easily. 4. Detoxifying effect. Aloe vera gel detoxifies the body. It helps remove toxins, removing acidification caused by toxins. This is good for health. Acidification is caused by toxins. This can cause complaints such as headaches, fatigue, dull skin and a lifeless feeling. The aloe vera drinks support the body's cleansing system so that the toxins caused by free radicals can be eliminated more quickly. 5. Keeps blood sugar in balance. The aloe vera plant may have abilities to improve blood sugar control. The body benefits from the maintenance of healthy kidneys and intestines. 6. Helps with stomach and intestinal complaints. Drinking aloe vera gel can alleviate stomach and intestinal complaints. It has an antibacterial and antifungal effect. Aloe vera gel is easily absorbed through the mucous membrane so that it provides quick results. The drug has also been found to be effective in the treatment of Crohn's disease, an inflammatory disease of the intestines. Intestinal healing is promoted and reduced inflammation with aloe vera. 7. Alleviation of allergies. Using aloe vera greatly boosts your immune system, so allergies will eventually decline. More than 200 active compounds are found in the gel of aloe vera plants, which benefit the human body. 8. Helps against bad breath. Bad breath can be very annoying, but aloe vera can help with this too. Aloe gel mixes well with water to relieve acid regurgitation because it contains anti-inflammatory ingredients. The reason for bad breath often comes from this. In addition, it reduces mouth ulcers and mouth ulcers. The balance in the mouth is restored. 9. Reduces menstrual complaints and stimulates fertility. The rejuvenating effect of aloe vera on the uterus makes it the ideal drink for women suffering from menstrual complaints. 10. Supports rheumatism and osteoarthritis. Rheumatism and osteoarthritis cause inflammation in and around the joints. This can cause a lot of pain and limit your ability to move, so consider using aloe vera to relieve inflammation and prevent your joints from wearing out. 11. Beautiful skin. Cream and gel derived from aloe vera gel can improve the health and appearance of your skin. The gel can stimulate cell metabolism, making your skin look elastic and youthful again. The gel has a soothing and moisturizing effect. 12. Reducing skin problems. In addition to treating acne, skin problems, eczema, wounds, acne and inflammation, aloe vera gel moisturizes and soothes the skin. It provides instant relief after it is used on the skin. Aloe vera gel is good for healthy skin too. Massaging the gel into the skin will reduce skin problems. If you like this video, subscribe below and hit the bell icon so that we can notify you when we release new videos.